Hey YouTube, Sam here. I'm going to use a Sawzall and see if that might cut through a little quicker and not use up my blades. And I said Sawzall. I dare you. Go ahead. Leave a comment. I could give a rip. Say, you know, you can hurt yourself doing this stuff, breathing it in. I have a mask and things like that, so I've taken the precautions I think I need to take to be welding these things up. You need to do the same. So if you don't like the way I'm doing something, don't do it, and I'm not responsible if you do. Well, YouTube, I'm going to call that a finished welding table for now. Now, this is just the first part of it. I obviously have a lot more to do. There's some welds I want to clean up, welds I need to kind of re-weld and add some weld in a few places. I figured out a couple of mistakes I made. I can't get my engine hoist under this part. I'm hoping if I raise it up all the way, I'll be able to do that. But at the same point, I'm not positive. Another thing, if I do raise this up, more than it is now, I'm probably going to need to get some like lock nuts. So I'll have to pull this up again and put some nuts on the bottom so that it locks it in wherever I put it. That's something I didn't think about. Let's see, what else? I'm going to cut the top down, so therefore I'm not attaching the top right now. It's just going to lay on there for right now. And I got a lot more to do. I need to put wheels on it. I need to figure out how I'm doing the bottom area here, what I want to do with that, and several other things, not to mention cleaning it up and painting it, which I'm not going to do until I'm absolutely positive I'm completely done with it. I want to put some bars across here in places so I can put clamps and other things like that on here. So there's quite a bit more. But as far as a welding table, a simple welding table that anybody can do, this will get you started. This will get you up and going in welding. The top was a piece of cut off material from where my dad worked that my dad got me. The table part that it's resting on is stuff I got from the scrap yard for probably less than $100, I would say. The legs are from the original welding table, which were from my wife's grandfather when he passed. There was a table, the whole bottom part section that I had before, that was all just sitting out behind his garage out in the weather. So I just pulled it in and slapped this on top and called it a welding table for years. But anyway, so there's some sentimental attachments between my dad and my wife's grandfather. Actually, I believe that the pieces that came from here are from a table that was my grandfather's at one time that I cut up, had taken the top off for something else a long time ago, and then cut the legs off, or cut the legs up and did this with it. So there's a lot of attachment actually in this table. But anyhow, so I'm going to cut it down. I might have mentioned that already. Anyhow, and wheels, of course, I need to be able to move it. So I'm going to call this a video, though. Unfortunately, as with most of my projects, it's to a point where I can use it. I need to go do some other projects because I got too many things going on. And this will function for now. I'm definitely going to try and get wheels on it as soon as I possibly can, though. But until then, honestly, my welding cart did not hold up to the back wheels, did not hold up to the weight of my when I put the gas cylinder on the back there. So that's the next project I'll probably be welding up, is a welding cart. So keep an eye out for that video as well, as long as the rest of the videos that'll be coming up about finishing this off. Alright, this is Sam, Jack of all, Master of none. You all have a good one.